What's going on, guys? This is just the first part of how to disassemble an Xbox. What you want to do first is take off the hard drive, because that'll just take off your hard drive. After that, just flip your Xbox upside down, and this little flap right here, just hold on to the side like this, and just pull off, and it'll just come right off. After that, you want to take off this black cover thing. So basically, when it's on like that, and you get a toothpick or anything small enough to fit in these holes, and you'll see a bunch of little like tabs. One, everywhere it goes solid here, and this is a solid triangle, that's where it is. So you want to go right in between the triangle and push your toothpick in, and it'll unlock. See? And put another one there, and it'll just come off. You can apply some pressure to it, but don't apply too much because you'll break the foot like I did in the previous take of this video, because I'm an idiot. So yeah, and it comes right off. Just put it on the side. And same thing with the other side. Okay, so you want to take off these little tabs right here. There's one here, 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 and there's one little half one, quarter one, whatever, down here. Okay. So once you get the case off, I think it's plastic. Put it to the side. You want a T8 screwdriver. I just have the bits. It's a Mastercraft set. It's like $5. I'd recommend getting this because you could use the T8 for the controller too. Okay, so the only screws you want to take off are the ones with the flat tops. See, the other ones have rounded. That one, these ones have the flat. So you want to take off those ones. So probably going to speed this up because you don't want to see me just taking off a bunch of screws. Now what you can do, just slide off this part. And there you have the inside of the Xbox. You just want to leave this alone while you're doing it. We're blowing it. Clean it up. See the inside? Pretty cool. And yeah, that's about it. So that's how you take apart the Xbox 360. To put it back together, just remember what you did to take it apart and do it in reverse. Okay, the next video will be coming up soon. So remember to subscribe and you'll get the next one. See you later.